Right now, millions of men are tired, unmotivated, and weak, and they think it's normal. But here's the crazy part. It's not age, it's not genetics, and it's definitely not bad luck. Your testosterone is being silently shut down by how modern life is designed. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to reverse it naturally, or why most men never will. First, understand the rule. Most people miss testosterone is not a supplement problem, it is a signal response hormone. Your body increases testosterone only when it believes 1. Strength is required. 2. Dominance or capability matters. 3. Recovery resources are available. Every real solution works by sending those signals consistently. 1. Build muscle, the way testosterone responds to. What raises testosterone? Heavy resistance, large muscle groups, short, intense effort, progressive overload. What suppresses it? Endless cardio, high-volume junk workouts, overtraining without recovery. The correct training signal. Your nervous system must feel, this body needs more power, best movements, core signal drivers. Squats, deadlifts, bench press, overhead press, rows. Pull-ups training structure, simple and effective. 3 to 5 workouts per week, 45, 75 minutes max. Heavy sets, 5 to 8 reps. Rest 2 to 3 minutes between sets. Why this works? Heavy compound lifting triggers. Muscle fiber recruitment, nervous system activation, short-term testosterone spikes, long-term baseline increase. This is non-negotiable. 2. Eliminate the biggest testosterone killer. Chronic cortisol. Testosterone and cortisol are opposites. If cortisol stays high, testosterone cannot rise, no matter what you do. Cortisol stays high when you sleep poorly, you're stressed but inactive, you never mentally switch off. You consume constant stimulants. How to lower cortisol without becoming passive. Physical outlet. Strength training. Walking outside daily, occasional sprinting, mental decompression, no screens, 60 minutes before sleep, controlled breathing, slow exhales, quiet time with no stimulation. Key rule, stress plus movement, growth. Stress plus stillness, hormonal damage. Modern life gives stress without release. You must reintroduce release deliberately. 3. Sleep is the hormone factory. This is critical. Most daily testosterone production happens during deep sleep. No sleep, no testosterone. Minimum requirements: 7 to 9 hours nightly, consistent sleep and wake time. Dark, cool room. No light exposure at night. Practical fixes: morning sunlight resets circadian rhythm. No caffeine after early afternoon. No phone in bed. Warm shower before sleep. Think of sleep as testosterone manufacturing time. Skip it and everything else fails. 4. Eat for hormones, not just calories. Testosterone is made from cholesterol and supported by micronutrients. Foods that support testosterone: eggs, red meat, moderate high quality, fatty fish, olive oil, nuts, fruits and vegetables. What to avoid chronically. Ultra-processed foods, excess sugar, constant snacking, extreme calorie restriction. Important rule. Very low-fat diets reduce testosterone. Your body needs dietary fat to build hormones. You don't need extremes, you need real food, enough calories and consistency. 5. Sunlight and vitamin signaling. Sunlight isn't just about vitamin D. It affects circadian rhythm, mood, hormonal signaling. Simple rule. Get sunlight in your eyes and on skin early in the day. Avoid bright light late at night. This improves sleep quality, testosterone rhythm, energy and drive. Artificial light at night confuses your hormone clock. 6. Stop chemical hormone confusion. Many modern materials interfere with hormone signaling. Reduce exposure to plastic food containers, especially when heated, bottled water stored in heat, excess chemical fragrances, ultra-processed foods. You don't need perfection, you need reduction. Your hormones respond to cumulative exposure. 7. Competition, challenge, and purpose, the most ignored factor. Testosterone rises in response to winning, competing, risk-taking, responsibility, Assertiveness. This is biological, not motivational. Practical ways to trigger. This: competitive sports or games, career challenges, setting hard goals, taking responsibility, others avoid, learning to say no. A passive life creates passive hormones. Your biology mirrors your behavior. 8. What about supplements? Supplements do not create testosterone. They only support production if signals are already present. Without lifestyle signals, supplements do almost nothing with proper signals. They may help marginally, never reverse the order. 9. Timeline. What to expect. Week 1 to 2. Better energy, improved sleep, mental clarity. Week 3 to 6. Strength increases, mood improvement. Increased drive. Week 8 to 12. Noticeable hormonal shift. Body composition changes. Confidence increase. Testosterone rises slowly and sustainably. The core truth, important. Testosterone does not respond to comfort, it responds to demand. If your life does not demand strength, discipline, recovery, responsibility, your body will down-regulate the hormone that supports those traits. Final summary, save this. To boost testosterone: 1. Lift heavy compound weights. 2. Sleep deeply and consistently. 3. Reduce chronic stress. 4. Eat real food with enough fat. 5. Get sunlight. 6. Remove chemical confusion. 7. Live a life that demands strength. Do this, and testosterone rises naturally. Ignore it and no pill will save you.